Here is a man asking the question, is this really the end of the world?
We have such sights to show you.
Hey everybody, welcome to the show today. I'm the drunk kitten Tribbles. Hey, please hit like and subscribe if you like what we do here, and I hope you brought some ears.
Hi everybody, welcome to Ultimate Radio right here on YouTube. I am the High Command. I'm joined today by the drunk kitten Tribbles. Today we're going to do a really cool Bad Company song called Seagull.
Hi everybody. Hey, that's cool, boss. You know, us kittens love seagulls, especially with Heinz 57 sauce.
Come on kitten, stop joking around. This is a very serious song.
Yeah, maybe so, boss, but you know seagulls will steal your French fries, and they'll also steal your beers.
Hi folks, this is a type of song that I put into my own genre, which I call mysterious music. Songs like Hypnotized by Fleetwood Mac, Lady by Frank Marino, several songs by Santana, and many others. It just kind of has that eerie sort of kind of vibe to it. But hey, let's get started.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Here is a man asking the question, is this really the end of the world? Seagull, you must have known for a long time the shape of things to come. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why. And you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Da, 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 da. Mm-hmm.
Sounds like Paul Rogers has some kind of weird vocal effect vibe going on with his voice in this also.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why. And you fly all around till somebody shoots you down.
All right, good place to get a break in here. Yeah, it's a very simple song. I think it's just a hammer-on sort of D chord, and it just plays for the entire song. But the power in this song is in the vocals.
Alright, boss. Yeah, this was the very last song on their debut album, Bad Company, in 1974. The song was written by Paul Rogers and Nick Rouse.
You know what else, Kitten? This was voted as the 46th best album of the 1970s. It was also the second album to be released on Led Zeppelin's Swan Song label.
True story, boss. Yeah, Peter Grant, Led Zeppelin's manager, actually managed the band until 1982. They've sold over 40 million records worldwide and made it into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2025.
All right, folks, let's go ahead and see if we can get it finished up.
Seagull, you fly. Seagull, you fly away. And you fly away today. And you fly away tomorrow. And you fly away. Lead me to my sorrow. Seagull, go on and fly. Fly to your tomorrow. Lead me to my sorrow.
All right, there you have it. Seagull by Bad Company. Really cool song, you know. I'm going to have to do more of these so-called mysterious sort of songs. There's so many really good ones out there. So, well, what do we got going on today, Kitten?
Well, yeah, boss, it's no bueno. Living in Las Vegas, we don't have any beaches or seagulls, so I have to put away my jar of Heinz 57. Hey, come and check us out over on Facebook on Ultimate Radio Show.
All right, folks. Yeah, it's Thursday, so I think Captain Quantum's got the show tonight over on Ultimate Radio on Facebook. But Kitten and I are planning a special project, so we're going to get out of here and maybe get a start on that today. But hey, we'll see you on the next video, probably tomorrow. Bye-bye.